Gold has shaped the world's history in many ways. For thousands of years, people have prized gold for its beauty and value. Kings, queens, and governments alike stored gold in their treasuries. Even today, gold stands as a symbol of wealth, safety, and lasting worth. Unlike paper money, gold does not wear out or lose its shine. People trust it because it cannot simply be printed or created from thin air. That trust has survived wars, crashes, and empires rising and falling. In hard times, gold has often been the last thing people turn to for security. In every age, gold has been used as money, jewelry, and even as a way to make deals between countries. When people lose confidence in other forms of money, they often rush to gold. This is why gold is sometimes called the currency of last resort. Its story is as old as civilization itself. A bull market means prices are going up, often for a long time. In a bull market, lots of people want to buy, and few want to sell. For gold, a bull market means more and more people see gold as valuable and are willing to pay higher prices for it. Bull markets do not last forever, but they can change history. When people expect prices to keep rising, they rush in to buy before prices go even higher. This causes more buying and pushes the price up even more. It becomes a cycle that can last for months or even years. Gold's bull markets are special because they often happen during times of fear. When people worry about money or the future, gold becomes a safe bet. This is why gold bull markets are often linked with big events like inflation or financial crises. Understanding a bull market is key to seeing why gold has reached such a high price today. This isn't just about investors making money. It's about people looking for safety in a world full of risk and uncertainty. Gold's price has never stood still for long. In the early 1900s, gold was fixed at $20.67 per ounce in the United States. That changed in 1933 when the government raised the price to $35 per ounce to fight the Great Depression. For decades, the price stayed fixed by law. Everything changed in 1971 when the United States left the gold standard. Gold was free to trade at market prices, and soon it began to rise. By 1980, gold hit a then record of $850 due to high inflation and global tensions. Prices later fell as inflation cooled and trust in paper money returned. In the 2000s, gold began another bull run. The financial crisis of 2008 sent gold over $1,000 per ounce for the first time. By 2011, it had reached $1,900 before falling back again. Each time, world events and trust in money played a big role in where gold's price went next. Today, gold's journey has taken it far beyond all past records. The leap to $17,250 per ounce marks a new era in gold's fascinating story. There are several reasons why gold's price has soared to $17,250. First, inflation has risen sharply worldwide. When the cost of goods and services goes up, the value of paper money falls. People buy gold to protect their savings from losing value. Second, there is a lot of economic uncertainty. Many countries face high debt, slow growth, and unstable politics. When people worry about the future, gold feels like a safe place to keep their wealth. This is true for both everyday savers and giant investors. Third, central banks around the world have been buying gold. They want to protect their reserves from the risks of holding only paper currency. This increased demand pushes the price even higher. People everywhere, from small buyers to big banks, are looking for safety in gold. Finally, new technologies and ways to buy gold have made it easier than ever for people around the globe to invest in it. Online platforms and digital gold mean anyone can join the bull market. All these factors together have created a perfect storm, sending gold prices to record heights. This bull market is not like those in the past. The speed and size of the price jump are much bigger. In just a few short years, gold's price has multiplied many times. This has never happened before, even during past crises. One reason is the scale of today's problems. Inflation is at levels not seen in decades. World debt is at a record high. Political tensions are rising in many places. These problems are global, not just limited to one country or region. As a result, demand for gold is coming from everywhere. Another big change is technology. Today, anyone with a smartphone can buy gold with just a few clicks. This has opened the market to millions of new buyers. The result is more demand and higher prices than ever. Finally, the world's central banks and financial institutions are leading the way. They are buying gold to protect against risks in the global financial system. This makes the current bull market deeper and more powerful than any before. To understand why gold is so popular, it helps to look at some simple facts. For example, gold has kept its value for over 5,000 years. 1 ounce of gold used to buy a fine suit in ancient Rome, and today, it still can buy a quality suit. This really shows gold's power as a store of value. In recent years, people in countries with unstable currencies have rushed to gold. In places like Turkey or Argentina, where money lost value fast, people bought gold to save their wealth. Even in rich countries, more people are adding gold to their savings. Central banks have also set new records for gold buying. In 2025, central banks bought more gold than in any year since records began. This shows even governments trust gold in uncertain times. Everyday buyers and big investors alike are joining the rush. The numbers are simple, but they tell a big story. Gold is not just for the rich or for experts. It is something anyone can use to protect their money from inflation, crisis, or uncertainty. The future for gold is both exciting and uncertain. Some experts think the price could go even higher if inflation continues or new crises appear. Others warn that if inflation eases or the economy improves, gold may fall back from its record heights. More people are likely to buy gold, as memories of this bull market will stay for years. Technology and easy access mean new buyers can join quickly if prices start to rise again. Gold is now part of more people's savings than ever before. Governments and central banks will keep a close eye on gold. They may even use it to rebuild trust in the global financial system. No matter what happens, gold's role as a store of value is stronger than ever. In the end, gold's jump to $17,250 per ounce has changed history. It has reminded the world that gold is still the ultimate safe haven. Wherever the price goes next, gold's timeless story continues.